Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create or build a simple quiz application in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output of our application, how to create a simple quiz application in Python. The command is py build quiz app.py, enter, and here it's prompting enter your name. My name is Charan. When I click enter, notice here I got welcome Charan. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi, but I'm entering some wrong answer, which is D, Hyderabad. When I click enter, the answer is wrong. The answer is New Delhi. Your answer is wrong. The answer is New Delhi. What is the capital of USA? Washington DC. I'm adding C. So here we got correct. What is the capital of Australia? It's Canberra, but I'm adding the wrong answer, A, Sydney. And here we got out of 3 questions. For this example, I have added only 3 questions only. Charan, you got only 1 correct.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create a new Python file name called build quiz application.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to create a simple quiz application in Python. So first what I'll do is enter username. When application starts, I want to enter the username. Username is equals to input. Enter the username. Enter your name. Then print. I want to print the welcome message. Welcome. For that I am using user underscore name f-string format. I am printing this message f-string format. Then I require 2 variables. One for the question number. Question number is equals to 0, and the second one for the score, to count the score, which is marks here. Then what I'll do is let's print one line here. Let's make one line. After that, question number. Here we'll start the question. Question is equals to input the question number we are getting from this variable question number. So what we have to do is the question number we need to increment with 1. Then question number, just for the time saving, let's put this f-string here. F-string. The questions, just for the time saving, I have here, these are the questions. Instead of writing everything, it's easy for me, just for the time saving. Now the code is, after adding the question, what is the capital of India? Here New Delhi, B Mumbai, C Bangalore, and D is Hyderabad. After that I want to add if logic is if question is equals to A, which is New Delhi, capital of India is A, which is a correct answer. I want to print correct, and score also I need to increment 1 is equals to 1. In the else part, else print Your answer is wrong. Wrong. And print. The answer is New Delhi. Again, let's add here for the second question. Again, capital of USA, Florida. Just I'm changing the question number. Florida. What is the capital of USA? Which is Washington DC. Let's copy this one. If question is C, option is C, which is Washington DC, and I'm pasting here. And the last one is question number third question. Instead of writing the same thing, copy this one and paste here. Now I'm deleting this thing. Copy this one and paste here. This is Australia, and what is the capital of Australia? It is Canberra. In the options, we've got Sydney. A is Sydney, B is Canberra, C is Perth, and D is Adelaide. And the answer is Canberra. That's it. Now print. Here I am adding one line. Again print another line. Between print out of the question number, out of this question numbers, the questions now we got here. Out of questions, a format questions, username, you got score. You got the score. Correct. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to run. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application, how to create a simple quiz build application in Python. The command is py build quiz app.py, enter. And here it's prompting, enter your name. My name is Charan. When I click enter, notice here I got welcome Charan. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi, but I am entering some wrong answer, which is D, Hyderabad. When I click enter, the answer is wrong. The answer is New Delhi. Your answer is wrong. The answer is New Delhi. What is the capital of USA? Washington DC. I am adding C. Here we got correct. What is the capital of Australia? It's Canberra, but I'm adding the wrong answer. A, Sydney. And here we got out of 3 questions. For this example, I have added only 3 questions only. Charan, you got only 1 correct. See here? That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a simple quiz application in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We will catch you in my next video tutorial.